Are down after hours despite the company topping Wall Street estimates on both the top and the bottom lines. The chipmakers conference call is underway. CNBC's Mackenzie Sagalas has got the latest. Mackenzie.
Hey, Mel. So that earnings beat is being powered by stronger than expected data center revenue. CEO Lisa Su on the earnings call just now talking about momentum and that business accelerating. Part of why they guided to Q4 revenue that's above street estimates. And that's what investors have been waiting for, a sign that AMD's big AI bets are starting to deliver. The company recently signed a chip and equity deal with OpenAI. You guys were just talking about that. A move that helped drive a major rally, with AMD coming off its best month since 2001 and trading at about 50 times forward earnings going into the print. But gross margins, a key measure of profitability, were only in line for both Q3 and Q4. And that may be why the stock is slipping after hours, despite all that AI optimism. Mel?
And Mac, you've got more on Amazon dissolving its stake in AMD and quantum stock IonQ.
Yes, so we just learned earlier today that Amazon liquidated its entire AMD stake worth just shy of $117 million. And we saw AMD shares sell off earlier today right after that 13F filing crossed. But I did just hear back from Amazon, and they say that the reason they were holding any AMD shares to begin with was because they took a stake in a small company called ZT Systems. They manufacture and deploy servers for companies, including Amazon Web Services. And now that stake in ZT Systems was converted into AMD shares when AMD bought the server maker. So this shouldn't be read as Amazon making a deliberate choice to get out of the AMD trade, but it was pretty notable when you looked at the stock chart today. AMD starting to move lower off that filing.